Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our second day of online learning. It's Tuesday, the 20th of July. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to your learning today. And I have to say, and I believe Miss Maslin and Mrs. Nagia will agree with me, I've thoroughly enjoyed reading your holiday recount. It's been a real pleasure to find out a bit what you were up to during the holidays, and for some of you it was a busy time. For some of you it was a rather quiet time, and you know that's quite all right. It doesn't mean just because we're on holidays we have to work ourselves even more. So I really enjoyed 5C's recount of the holidays. I got to do some exciting things during the holiday as well. The highlight for me was actually going camping in the Grampians, in a tent. Yes, smack bang in the middle of winter. And yes, it was very cold, and unfortunately, weather was not on my side. It started raining when we were coming down from the pinnacles, and we thought the rain was not going to stop. But guess what? Late in the afternoon, the rain stopped, and as soon as we were able to make that huge campfire and get some heat and some warmth into our bodies, it was okay. We were halfway through Friday. We were contemplating coming home a bit earlier, but actually, once we get the fire going, it was brilliant. It's amazing how a bit of warmth can actually change your perspective on things. So I've totally enjoyed my visit in the Grampians, and would like to go back sooner rather than later and do a few more hiking tracks there. So we actually focused on the pinnacles. That's a decent hike. And then on another day we went and visited Mackenzie Falls, and that's a beautiful attraction as well. Unfortunately, I couldn't go for a swim in the water because it was probably about 2 or 3 degrees when we were there, so not a pleasant experience. I tried to stay as dry as possible. All right, so welcome to today's learning. There will be an English activity, there will be a maths learning activity for you today, and connected learning will have two components. One is going to be science, and the other one is going to be, again, an activity related to NAIDOC week. If you have any questions, please feel free to go to your forums on class pages, or you can email your teachers. Preferably, we should keep our communication through the forums, but if it's something super urgent that needs to be attended to, feel free to email the teachers. Excellent. Well, that's pretty much the welcoming video for today. I hope you have a lovely time. I hope you have an enjoyable time, and we will see you all tomorrow, most likely again in online learning. Well, have a great day. That's it for me. Bye-bye for now. I'll see you again shortly.